we have something very special for you guys here today. This is a very rare moment of my Uncle Terry, 9-time world champion hoop dancer, teaching my 2 older brothers who had never really learned how to dance until this moment. So you're witnessing something special, and even you can learn how to hoop dance. So here we go.
Okay, so let's put the hoops down. You go away from yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go to 2. We're going to pick up 2. We're going to step through with our right foot. We're going to drop the inside hoop. We're going to step through with our left foot. We're going to practice. We're going to lift and grab. We're going to go over the back of our head and step out with our right foot and unwind. Then we're going to look through the left one and stab through and back and forth. We're going to go over on our right shoulder. We're going to hold on. And we're going to do a wing here. And we're going to let go. And we're going to go 1 in each hand. And we're going to grab number 3. And we're going to step through with our right foot. And we're going to drop 1 hoop. And step through with our left foot. And then on the bottom. And we're going to let this go. And we're going to do our layup. And reach down and grab and pull. And we're going to flap this hoop. And the first time we're going to grab it and we're going to go over our head right to there. And then we're going to go back. And now we're going to step out. Yours are in the front. You need yours on the side. You see, yours are up here. They need to be on the side. Now we're going to go right here. We're going to flap. And we're going to reach under and grab with our hands till we have this motion right here. Reach under all the way and grab that hoop and hold on to it. Your hands are upside down.
This way. Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to go through. And we're going to stretch our arms. And we're going to go over. Now watch what I do. Anthony, I see you kind of squeezing yourself, but the hoops are a little small. I pull my arms and my shoulders in. Look, I'm pulling everything in so that that hoop can come through easily. It's stuck on the top of your ponytail right there, and let it go right there. Good. And right here we have this, the 3, and where our fists come together, and we're going to grab and hold, and we're going to let go with our right hand, and we're going to go over and go through that one right there and stretch our arm out. And we go right to there, and we're going to push this on the inside and pull through. So push it through. Pull through and reach around and grab. Nope. Around on the outside and pull. Pull. Just pull it out. There you go. Okay, we're going to push it back. We're going to grab it. We're going to let these all go. Now let that go. And we're going to have 1 in our right hand. And we're going to pick this one up. And first we're going to do 2 and 2. Step through 2, step through 2, drop your inside hoop. And that's what happens if you don't drop your inside hoop. So you drop your inside hoop. Remember, I'm lifting by stepping, lifting by stepping. Okay, so I'm trying to grab. Look what happens. Look what happens to my hoops, Anthony. I turn them in. So this lifts. Do you see it's right there on my leg? I lift it up. I lift it up. So I want, yep. Okay, so now we have 2 in our right, and we step through 2 on our right and drop the inside hoop. And remember, with our thumb, we separate them, and we step through 1 and step through the bottom and let that one go. And now we stack this one right here, and we put it up here, right here. And remember, use your thumb to push into the middle. And we're going to go back. We're going to go back and we're going to dive through and do our layup, reach and grab and pull. And we have our little box. Okay? It's right there. Yep. Hold on to the middle one.
Grab the other one.
The middle. Nope. The one that's up there. Right there. Okay, and we're going to open right here to the front.
Just leave them on. Just put it inside.
They don't need it.
That's good.
And we're going to go right here and we're going to go, remember, we're going to go to the back and lift it over our head right to there. And we're going to let it go, just relax. And we're going to try to put it down. And we're going to try to grab that middle one out as well. Don't let that slide. We want it to stay up on our knees. Our knees stop it from going down, and we reach down and grab the other ones, and we step out. And we're going to try to do that. You're going to try to do that. Don't worry if you can't. Pretty good. Good. Okay, one in your right hand. One in your right hand. And pick up and step through with your right foot and drop your inside hoop. Use your thumb, get one to step through in your left. Use your thumb to get that one separated. Good. And step through the bottom and let that one go. And we're going to stack on one side, so I face this way so that I'm stacking right there. So look, this one is holding those two. This one's holding those two.
These two. Right.
So
Also holding two.
left hand holds those.
Two.
Left hand holds this.
Oh.
Okay? Now, one goes right here. Put one right there.
Oh shoot, I was using my right on that.
The other one goes right down here. Grab and lift. And I make a little adjustment and so I can lift my leg up. There. And make the T.
Is it okay, look, if this feels more comfortable this way?
Yeah. And make the T. And now we're going to reach down and grab. Have one in our left hand. And we're going to reach down and grab that layup one. We can do the layup and reach down and grab. Do the layup, reach down and grab and pull. Okay, and these go up. Remember, push to the middle. Take these and look what I do. Look what I do. These are levers. Watch this. I push to the middle. And those are levers. Okay? But yours are up here and I need them back here. There you go. And I let this one go and I step through the back. Step through it.
Let the right one go.
And I let the other one go and I step through the back. Now I drop my inside hoops and I need to adjust these so that I have 4 right in the middle. And I reach and grab.
And that middle one supports the circle.
Uh-huh.
But keep it on the floor, no?
That's okay. Okay, so we're gonna take it apart and we're gonna put one on our shoulder. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go to 5 and we're gonna go here and drop 1 and then step through 1 and then step through 1 on your left hand. Step through, then step through the bottom. First you gotta step through, then step through the bottom.
Separate one. You know.
And then step through the bottom. There you go. Okay, now let it go. Oops.
Your call.
That's my warning.
15 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to put one on my right hand. And I'm going to do my layup and grab this one. That's not a layup. Okay, and pull it. Pull it.
Let it fall.
Okay. So now I'm going to grab this middle one. And I'm going to put the outside ones right there. Now this is probably a little more difficult. So we have one right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to push through. And I'm going to let my shoulders help me. And I'm going to reach underneath and grab those. So that I'm holding both of them. Good. Okay. Now we're going to squat down. We're going to lift our arms up. We're going to squat down on this middle one. We're going to put our head right there. All the way. Go all the way down. And step up. And pull those through. And step out. Right there. And step out. And you're holding those just like that. And you have that.
Then we can do this, right?
Yep, then you can do this. So you can do this on the inside and this on the inside. And you can do this right here. And you can turn your hands inside out and do this right here.
Wait, how do you do that one
From here. So this is here. Hands go to the inside and go down and reach and go here and
That's a good one.
open. Right
That's a
there.
good moment.
Right there. Yep. And now I get these back. Anthony, I get these back. And I take this over my head. The middle one drops. Your hand, you always want to bring these together, but they need to be flat. Yeah, there. And this middle one, do you see my middle hoop right here? Take a look at my middle hoop. Do you see it right here? It's right there. Do you guys see it? So I have these right here. Okay? I have these right here. I need this middle hoop. I need it right in the center. So when I do it, watch. That middle, look at my elbows. My elbows are controlling it, and I let it go. And now my pinkies grab the middle. So that when I go right here, do you see the diamond? When I go like this, I should have a diamond right there. So if I've done it right, if I'm too high on one side or the other, watch what happens when I do the circle. When I do the circle and I'm up top, both of them are up top, I don't have a diamond.
Yeah.
So I have to grab in the center right here, and I have that diamond, so that when I go here, I've got the diamond right in the middle.
Is that there? Is it right?
No, so the top ones aren't. These have to be out, and you're not. Now I see the diamond, and this has to be up a little more. There's a diamond. Now that's it.
Oh.
Got it.
Good.
Right there.
Hey.
How's that? How's that for a quick lesson?
No, that was perfect.
I learned a lot.
Now, yeah, that's a lot. Now practice. Now practice, because there's more. Oh yeah, yeah.
Thank you. World champion, Uncle Ted.
Thank you.
How was your session with Uncle Terry?
Loved it. I mean, Terry's such a great teacher. You know, we grew up seeing the hoop dance, so I think it's important that we all learn it. And, you know, we have learned it before, but we're relearning, and we want to be able to share it, just like Eric.
We just had an amazing session by how many time hoop champion?
9.
9-time hoops world hoop champion Terry Goedel just helped us out. I've never even learned the hoop to do the Native American hoop dance. This is my first time. So it was a little challenging, but he's such a great teacher that he made it easy, fun, and looking forward to the next one.
I don't know if there's any other content like this that's ever existed on YouTube. You can watch this again and again and learn 1 through 5 hoops. And we're going to continue the journey. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, press like, and we'll see you next time.